I would bring you a festival outfits ideas video. I'm going to Isle of Wight tomorrow and I am so excited. I'll be vlogging it as well, so if you want to see a little inside scoop of what it's like to be a glitter artist, then make sure you keep an eye out. I've put together 7, I think, festival outfit ideas for you, and yeah, I love festival content. It's my favourite type of content, and obviously you know that I've been loving it, especially with the makeup stuff. If you have no idea what to do with your makeup, I have done separate videos for that and I will link them in the description box. All of these pieces that I am about to show you will be linked. And yeah, I'm just going to get on with it. There's a lot of things to show you. Let's just get into it. My first outfit was based around these boots. They are knee-high lace boots, and yeah, I got them from Depop for about £10 from a seller. I will insert a photo of a pair that inspired me for this purchase, but I think I'm going to be wearing them quite a lot, actually quite casually as well, with like a baggy tee if I'm going out for drinks or something. They have got a bit dirty. I wore this outfit for Field Day Festival like not long ago, so this is like a fresh outfit. They've got like these slight chunky like platformy style bit, not too much of a chunk. They got a zip all the way through and knee-high lace. I will link the real deal down below, so don't worry. They're just a really nice sort of like alternative to Doc Martens, because I tend to wear Doc Martens quite a bit. I just think they're going to make my legs really warm. Every time I wear them on my legs I'm like, ooh, because they got like this cushiony thing inside. So I wore this white dress. This is going to be quite hard to show you, but you'll see on the try-on clips. It is like a milkmaid style dress. It's got like puffed sleeves here, which I like kind of gathered, and also this little bow detail or tie-up detail. It's fake, you can't actually draw it in. And it's like this nice little bodycon style at the bottom. It's quite mini and I'm 5'2", and it's like just the perfect size for me. It's from Boohoo and it was a size 8. Kind of like wore them off the shoulder, so they were like sat like that on me. With the shoes as well, it kind of looks like a kinky milkmaid situation going on. And then I wore this like black mesh dress over the top of that white dress. It has a frill detail on the straps here, and I also got this in a size 8. They also sell this on ASOS at the moment. It is like a mesh star print. Yeah, it's like a star, yeah, star print, and it's got like this sort of like slight little ruffle on the top there, slightly gathered in by the boobie area, but I really like it, and that layered on this was like, oh my god, it looks so pretty. I've seen quite a few girls wear this with like just like underwear underneath, or like, you know, like sexy underwear, but it's not really my vibe. I like to be a bit more covered up. I also got this like sort of like chain belt, and the chain belts at the moment are really in on trend. It's like you wrap it around like a skirt. It's really cool. It has like this belt silver detail. It is all silver, but I'm pretty sure you can get it in gold as well. It comes in one size, but I'm guessing you can probably like puncture some holes in there. It gives you quite a lot of holes as well. Kinky milkmaid was definitely the theme by accident. If you've got a bit of like a beer belly going on, this just, I don't know why, it just like kind of covered it up a bit. I feel like I can wear this with like pretty much anything, you know? Whole outfit is from Boohoo, by the way. So jackets wise, on the actual day I wore this, which has been in my wardrobe for such a long time. Literally it's lasted me about 3 years. This is from Misguided. It's a big shaggy cardigan, you know, like it was really in trend like a year or two ago. I always wear it. I wear it casually, I wear it to a festival, and it's so warm as well and cozy. It's like having like a blanket wrapped over you. British weather, very unpredictable. It was raining. But yeah, that was the first outfit. So my next outfit was all based on this one top from, it's called Savage Rainbow. It's basically like a neon pink, green, orange, yellow or blue top, and I just, yeah, when I saw this I was like, oh my god, I need to base an outfit around this. I didn't realise it actually has like nothing underneath, so you could wear boob jewels. Like, I think I might wear boob jewels, but what I did was got like this white bikini. It's just a plain white bikini, and I put this underneath and then kind of like that on top, so it does give me that bit of security. Or maybe I can put this on and boob jewels over the top because it's going to be really cold and I want like to, you know, keep my chest warm. It's very like thick faux leather material that it's made out of, and then it's got these fringing over the boobs. It's kind of like a shoelace on the top, which is quite cool. And then you've got like this faux leather back to it. It's got like 3 buttons on there, which you can choose which size you want. I decided I wanted to go a bit like anime-esque, so I ended up buying this like black schoolgirl skirt. It's like pleated. It's going to be quite hard to show you, but you'll see on the try on clip. You've got like this little button here, and then this wraps on top. It's very, very mini, so I definitely will be wearing some sort of black cycle shorts underneath. It is a UK 8. And it fits quite tightly on me, I would say. I'd say you probably need to size up with this. I then felt like it was a bit plain, so I ended up wearing another chain belt because obviously I'm obsessed at the moment. I got all these from ASOS, by the way, I didn't actually say. But this belt is a size 4, it's an extra small. This was the only one they had left because this belt seems to be going really fast. But lucky enough, because of the holes in there, I could get away with the size 4. It's got this silver like ring detail here and this chain, which is pretty gothic. Then it has like this little ring detail here and a big silver buckle. Definitely needed the belt. It looked a bit plain without the belt. But yeah, I'm really into this sort of like chain detail at the moment. And then I did end up wearing these knee-high boots with it because that whole like anime schoolgirl skirt looked really cute with these knee-highs, and also because I'm wearing a mini skirt, I felt like I needed to cover my leg, so these were like perfect match with it. They seem to be going with everything, like every skirt that I have. For a jacket, I would probably wear, if it was raining, a waterproof, because you've always got to be sensible. I did actually, in the try on clip, wear, this is going to be really hard to show you, but I ended up wearing this shaggy cardigan, which is from Born to Die, sort of like an independent online shop which sells a lot of like cool clothing, so I will link it down below. Fiery, fringy vibe. It has a hood to it as well, which makes me even love it even more. It's gonna be freezing and I wanted to wear this thick cardigan over the top. So I did try something different as well. Because I really like this top, I kind of wanted to create a different kind of look. I ended up wearing this on half with my white bikini, and then I got these out from last year. I wore them a lot last year. They're from Boohoo in the tall section. They started doing a petite and a regular version because so many people were buying these flares. They're like rainbow flares and they are super, super long and extra. They're slightly sheer and they're not very like thick as a material, but they are very flattering on. They like really, really like are small at the top, so it really like sticks to my waist. My mum kindly took them up a bit for me because they were so long. They were super cheap. I'm not sure if they're still selling them, so I will link something similar down below. I actually wore them last year with a rainbow top, which I will be sharing with you. These two together, they look so extra. Like this was like fully a rainbow vibe. I think if I remember rightly, I did put this belt on there as well because I don't like the waistband of this by itself. It just looks a bit plain. I ended up wearing this chunky belt again, and then I also, my mum made me this like silky chiffon fur trim black caftan, I want to say. My mum made it for me, but there is one from Pretty Little Thing which is still online, which I will link down below. It just goes with everything and it is all the way to the floor, which is great. And then I ended up wearing my Doc Martens as well, which these are the Jade and Doc Martens. You've probably heard me go on about them so much because I wear them all the time. I love them because they have like a zip and they're so easy to get in and out of. Other classic Doc Martens have just a lace on them, but they give me a bit of a platform edge, and I always wear these with like flares because they make my legs look really long. Outfit is kind of for like maybe a Sunday, or maybe when you're feeling a bit tired, you've eaten quite a bit, you're drank quite a bit, you're quite hungover. This is basically a green leopard print. It is like bright. Big oversized t-shirt dress. Feels like mostly like an oversized shirt that you're wearing as a dress. I don't think I've ever owned anything in this lime green before. This is from the Ragged Priest, which I got from ASOS. I ended up unbuttoning it really low, and then these sleeves are super flouncy. It's quite long. It's also like goes up at the front and down at the back, which is quite good. Ever so slightly, it's not like too dramatic. And it's so loose on and relaxing. Like I feel like it just skims everything. It makes me look cool without like any effort. Probably wear this as just like a jacket, or like just to wear over the top of an outfit as well. And I was gonna wear that chain belt with it. You'd think it looks good, but when I had it on, I was like, I don't feel like the chain belt goes, and I liked the fact it was so oversized, and it would be really good if I like felt hungover. It did look better with my Jade and Doc Martens, so I wore them. I'm not sure if I put my bucket hat on with this outfit, but yeah, this would be cool, especially if it was raining or something. This is a fluffy bucket hat from ASOS, and I've worn it a fair bit. I think it's so cute. It's gonna be hard to show you right now, but yeah. It's so cute. I'm gonna get one of the girls to braid my hair with it, and in the night it's gonna look really cool because it's like a lime green. I think this is actually on sale at the moment in ASOS for like 25 quid, so get your hands on it fast. The next look is like a classic candy rainbow look. This is a crochet skirt handmade from, I think it's electric threads, yeah. So I actually won this on an Instagram like competition. Whoever wins competitions on Instagram, and it is basically a multicolored crochet skirt, and it looks huge right now, but you can actually tie it in the waist area. You can actually stretch it out if you want it to be a bit longer. It's super flattering and loose fitting because it just literally skims my pot belly, which is great. Did style this with this boohoo top, which is got like this little rainbow on it. I think I got this last year, so if they do sell it, I will link it down below, but it's supposed to be one of those booby under boob tops, but because I don't have any under boob, it literally is just a crop top on me. I thought that little rainbow ties in really nicely with this crochet skirt, and I also wore my bucket hat with it because I thought it gave like a really nice fluffy cutesy vibe to it, and it really did go with the outfit. I could wear those like knee-high boots with it, but I ended up wearing my Doc Martens because I thought it looked a bit less dominatrix, more cutesy. Felt like an effortless look, to be honest. Like rainbow top, rainbow skirt, fluffy bucky, Jade and Doc Martens, done. I think I ended up wearing this fluffy cardigan again because it's so warm, and it was really cool with the yellow and red. It really tied everything in. But yeah, that's like my rainbow girly outfit vibe. last outfit that I want to show you. I had two options with this outfit, so I really do need your help with this. I got these. If you watched my DIY festival outfits video, I will link it down below, but I did a DIY festival outfits video and I made shorts out of leggings. So these were like Primark leggings and I just cut them at the bottom and made them into like cycle shorts. I'll link something similar in the description box. But these are super like, kind of like a felty material, and I loved like the paisley design of them. My first idea was to wear it with like this lace body, which is from, I think it was originally from M&S. The classic lace bodysuit, you can see is completely see-through, so I probably would have to wear some sort of boob jewels. I thought they were really cool, more like sexy, preppy, basic biatch look, if you know what I mean. And then I did tie it all together with this chain belt, and I thought that worked really nicely together. I also wore this black cardigan, fluffy plain cardigan, because I felt like I was going for like a black and white theme. I paired them with the Jaden Dot Martens because they cut off quite an unflattering length on my thighs, so I think these definitely flattered my legs better. I really like this look, but I wasn't sure about the lace top, so I did end up bringing out this body, which I haven't worn yet. It's basically a lilac vintage swimsuit, which I also got from Depop. It's super flattering. It's in that like sort of textured toweling fabric, and it's super thick, so I felt very secure with it on. It has like a low back to it as well, and I love this whole like lilac colour. I thought it looked really cute. Like this and this would go really nice actually with my headscarf. So I will insert both of the try-on clips, and you please can you tell me which one you prefer, because I have no freaking clue. For like accessories wise, I always end up going for a fanny pack, and then I usually wear these sunglasses. Ooh. And they sit on my face as so, like this, from Primark. They're very cheap. Was that all my outfits? Those were pretty much all my outfits for this year. I'd probably mix and match them a bit more, and I may be buying more outfits, but I'm not sure yet. Depends on when and where I'm going. Very important that you feel comfortable at festival season, because it's not everyone is going to have their boobs out, not everyone's going to have their bums out, but as long as you feel comfortable, if you're confident with yourself, then that's all that matters really. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my content and you want to be part of my family, and give this a like if you really like this video. Everything will be linked in the description box, and I will see you in my next video.